In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Google Sheets using an automation tool. If you want to move data automatically from Smartsheet into Google Sheets, this is a simple and effective workflow to set up. The goal here is to create an automation that watches for new information in Smartsheet and then sends that information straight into a Google Sheet without any manual copying and pasting. To begin, open an automation tool such as Zapier or Make. Both platforms are designed to connect different apps and help them work together automatically. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. Once you're inside, start creating a new automation. Depending on the platform, this may be called a Zap, a scenario, or a workflow, but the setup process is very similar. Next, choose Smartsheet as one of the apps in your automation. This app will act as the source of the data. After that, choose Google Sheets as the other app. This will be the destination where your data gets sent. At this stage, the automation tool may ask you to connect your accounts. If so, just follow the prompts and make sure you authorize access to both services so the integration can work properly. Now select the trigger in Smartsheet. A common option is a new row being added. This means every time a new row appears in your selected Smartsheet, the automation will start running. Be sure to choose the correct sheet so you're monitoring the right data. Once the trigger is set, choose the action for Google Sheets. A popular choice is adding a new row. This tells the automation that when it detects a new row in Smartsheet, it should create a matching row in your Google Sheet. You may also need to select the exact spreadsheet and worksheet where the data should go, so double check that you're pointing to the right place. After that, map your Smartsheet columns to the Google Sheets columns. This part is important because it determines where each piece of information will appear. For example, a name field in Smartsheet should go into the corresponding name column in Google Sheets. And the same idea applies to dates, statuses, or other values. Take your time here to avoid mismatched data. Finally, test the integration and confirm that the data appears in Google Sheets. Run a test using sample data, then open your sheet and verify that everything was transferred correctly. If the data looks right, your automation is ready to use. From that point on, new rows in Smartsheet should flow into Google Sheets automatically.